Hi, in this tutorial, we will be learning about how to swap two numbers using third variable. So before we write the program, let's see the concept associated with the program, right? We have a variable a equal to 10, right? Consider a equal to 10 and b equal to 30. You can take any number of your choice, but generally we take ab in most of the programs explained online. So I am even considering ab. So here I am using a third variable. It normally people consider temp. Generally, we may also consider C. This is to represent real world action. We generally take temp to represent third variable for swapping. We can also take C. It's not an issue. It depends on your assumption, right? I am taking temp as third variable. Now, after execution of the program, A value should become 20 and B value should be 10. Okay, that is sorry. We have values on the top like 30, 10, right? So 30 and A value 30, B value 10. This is our goal in writing our program, and we can use third variable. So as we know, the C program will start with header files. As we execute in different IDEs, different compilers, it's better to learn coding by writing these header files so that in any IDE or any other application we can easily execute these programs, right? Now these two header files will add system library to the program or will link system library to the program. The functions required for execution of the program statements will be fetched from C program library and they can be used directly in the program. Okay, this is the main function. From here, the execution of the program will start. Okay, so I'm opening a statement. So these are three compulsory lines in any program: main function, opening bracket, and closing bracket. Now I need to declare variables. Before we write any executable part, it is important to complete declaration. So I am taking three variables a, b, comma, temp to store temporary value, okay, before swapping. So I need two variables. So I will be writing printf enter a comma b values. So to print output properly, I am taking a backslash n here so that the next, if I write any print statement, that will be printed in the next line. Now I need to read these two variables scanf. As these two are integer types, I will be taking two percentile d's. Okay, the type specifier for integer is percentile d. Address allocation will be done by using ampersand operator, ampersand a comma ampersand b. These two are address operator. Now I have ab values also, values of a comma b also given as input. Now what I have to do now? Now the swapping should start. Before I start swapping, I am storing value of a in a temporary variable, that is temp. Now value of a is already stored in temp. Okay, now what I am doing? I am sending the value of b to the b to a. Okay, now let's see what is happening here. Temp equal to a. Suppose if I enter values like 10 comma 30, I'm writing them under comment. So what will happen here? Temp equal to, what is a? 10 is given, right? This is also a comment. Okay. Temp equal to a, that is 10. Now what is happening here? I'm writing one more comment here. The comment is just for understanding. I'm writing the comments here. Now a equal to b. Now what will happen? A equal to, what is the value of b? 30. Now a value changed to 30. Temp is equal to 10. So here, now what is the value of b? Okay. Now b equal to, what is the value of temp? 10. Now you can clearly see that temp equal to, initially a value of a is passed, that is 10 is passed here. Now after storing the value of a in temp, b value is sent to a. Now a equal to 30. As temp is already 10, the 10 is sent to b. Now b equal to 10. Now the swapping is done. So what I have to do now, I have to print the values. Print, what I have to print? A comma b after swapping. In place of percentile d, a comma b value should be replaced. So after all this, I am writing getch function to view the output directly on the screen. Okay, now what I am doing, I'm simply removing the code here, and I am removing the comments so that these bullets, so that I can easily execute this program in any one of the IDE.